is Big Brother. Mona Lisa, report to the diary room. No. Please don't sit yet. That's the only chair we have.
Baby, I don't like what you are doing. You are embarrassing me. Like, what do you mean that I should not sit on the chair? Now, I don't kill anybody. Which one that I should not sit there? I hope you know that I have chairs in my house. I hope you know.
That's your house. We can't risk you breaking this chair.
I do not like the way you embarrass me. I don't like it. I don't like it. Now only my body there. I don't remain for house. Ha.
Ninja. Ninja, go get the iron chair, please, and remove this one.
Come and tell me. If I use this best to slap you, you will not hear again. You go there.
Ninja, you can leave, please.
Let me see who will carry me here today.
Take it easy with the chair, please. Don't break that chair. Sit properly.
So, Big Brother, why did you come here? What do you even want with me?
Mona Lisa. Well, what are your hobbies?
Okay. I like eating. Number 1, I like eating. Number 2, I like eating. Number 3, I like eating.
Apart from eating, you don't have any other hobby?
Oh, I remember. I like eating.